The video of the car driving was taken at 5 p.m. 31/12/24. I'm using this as a video, as YouTube makes my video into a short. What do we know currently? The flood siren in Todmorden and Walsden sounded 1 to 2 times. This indicates that there is a problem with flooding in the valley. Flood sirens from the Calderdale area, Hebden Bridge, other areas have all sounded. Here in Todmorden, we are really lucky that we have a great team of flood wardens who are out updating the community. I'm going to show multiple Facebook posts of what the Todmorden flood wardens have said. As you will have just seen, flooding is around the Walsden area. I'm now gonna play the flood sirens going off. Please feel free to skip this part. Flood siren 1 time, 2:35 and 11:25. This screen is just for background. This was the first flood alarm we had. First flood alarm of 2025 as well. Just less than 10 minutes later, the second alarm sounded throughout the Calder Valley. I'm now gonna play the second flood alarms that went off. They are very eerie in the middle of the night. That was both flood alarms we have had. Flooding is still likely. Always remember to respect flood wardens. Out in the rain on New Year's Day in the middle of the morning, fully volunteering to do it. That is all I have to say. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a wonderful day.